Now the next topic is parametric questions. Of a parabola. Now for any real parameter p, x is equal to 80 squared, y is equal to 280, satisfying the equation y squared is equal to 4ax, then we can say the point (80 square, 280) lie on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, and the point p, that is 80 squared, 280, is called T point of the parabola and is denoted by P of T point at the parabola. So these are the parametric equations to define a parabola. Now we are going to solve some problem which is based on the parabola. So the first problem is find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 2, 3 and directrix is 3x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now the solution is, as we know the concept of parabola, we take a point P on the parabola, and to find the equation of parabola, distance of that point P from the focus will be equal to perpendicular distance of point P from the directrix. These two distances should be equal. Therefore, let P of xy be a point on the parabola as focus is S and PM is perpendicular distance of P from the directrix, then SP is equal to PM, that is SP square is equal to PM square. That is distance formula. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to distance of P from line M, that is point P lying on the line M, 3x 4y minus 10 modulus over under root 3 square, that is 9, plus 4 square, that is 16 whole square as PM square. So now we will solve this. We will get square and under root will be cancelled out and we will get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 10 whole square over under root 25 whole square is 25. Now we have to solve this equation and we will get the equation of required parabola. 25 into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 24xy plus 2cb, here one term is minus, so it will be minus 80y and minus 60x 2ca, and we will get on multiplying with 25, 25x square plus 100 minus 100x plus 25y square minus 225 plus 225 minus 150y is equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 100 plus 24xy minus 80y minus 60x. So on solving we will get 25x square minus 9x square, that is 16x square, plus 25y square minus 16y square plus 9x square, that is minus 100x plus 60x minus 40x minus 150y plus 80y minus 70y plus 100 minus 100 plus 225, that is plus 225 minus 24xy is equal to 0, which is the required equation of parabola. Now the next problem is, that is number 2. By shifting the origin to the point 4, 3, find coordinates of focus and the equation of the directrix for the parabola y minus 3 whole square is equal to 16 into x minus 4. So there is shifting of origin. So just see what happens. Let x dash y dash be the coordinate of P with coordinate xy with respect to new origin, that is x becomes x dash plus h and y becomes y dash plus k. So here coordinate are shifting to 4 to 3, so it becomes x dash plus 4 and y becomes y dash plus 3, and from here we get x dash is equal to x minus 4 and y dash is equal to y minus 3. And as we have the equation of parabola is y minus 3 whole square is equal to 16 into x minus 4 whole square. So using x minus 4 is equal to x dash and y minus 3 is equal to y dash, we will get y dash square is equal to 16x dash square, which is a required equation of parabola in new coordinates. So if we compare this with y dash square is equal to 4ax dash, we will get 4a is equal to 16. That implies a is equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinate of focus with respect to new coordinates is x dash y dash are a comma 0, that is 4 comma 0, and x is equal to x dash plus 4 become 4 plus 4, that is 8, and y is equal to y dash plus 3 become 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. That is original coordinates of focus are 8, 3. So by this way we can get the value of a of new coordinate and then substitute in relation, we will get the corresponding old coordinate of the given parabola. Simply, so equation of the directrix in new coordinate form is x dash plus a is equal to 0. That is x dash plus 4 is equal to 0. That means we will substitute x dash, that is x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of directrix is x is equal to 0, that is y-axis. So this was the second problem where we shift the coordinate to new coordinate, and on the basis of this we get the equation of given old coordinates of directrix of a parabola in the form of old coordinate, and in the form of old coordinate we get the focus. Now the third problem is, for the equation x square is equal to minus 8y, find the coordinates of the focus, the equation of the directrix, length of the lattice rectum, and coordinates of the endpoints of the lattice rectum for the parabola. Now the solution is, we have x square is equal to minus 8y. So compare with x square is equal to 4by. So on comparing, 4b is equal to minus 8. That gives b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, focus is S, that is 0, minus 2, lie on negative side of y-axis, and therefore equation of directrix is y is equal to b, that is y is equal to 2. Now we have to find length of latus rectum, which is equal to 4 times modulus value of focus point, that is 4 times b, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now we have to find coordinates of L and L dash. For this we will draw the diagram. Just see, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. As our parabola is x square minus 4by, that is focus is here 0, minus 2. So if we see, y coordinate will be same, that will be minus 2, and we have to find x1, and we have to find minus x1, minus 2. As minus x1 minus 2 or x1 minus 2 lie on the parabola, therefore we have x1 square is equal to minus 8 into minus 2, that is 16. So we get x1 is equal to plus minus 4. Therefore, L is x1, minus 2, that is 4, minus 2, and L dash is minus 4, minus 2. So this is the easy way to get the coordinate of latus rectum. Now the fourth problem is find the standard equation of the parabola having vertex at the origin, focus at 0, minus 3, and directrix y is equal to 3. This is very simple question. As we have focus 0, minus 3, that is negative part of y-axis, and directrix is y is equal to 3, that is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, the equation of parabola is x square is equal to minus 4by. Here we are taking minus 4b, just we will use here only b, that is minus b when b is less than 0. We use this form. So here we will take the modulus value of b, that is minus 4 into 3 into y, that is minus 12y, or we can say general equation parabola is x square is equal to 4by. Here we have b is equal to minus t. Therefore, x square is equal to 4by becomes 4 into minus t into y, that is minus 12y, which is required equation. So I have done these two ways you can solve this problem, because some students got confused. If we take the equation x square is equal to minus 4by, then taking that point in mind, when b is less than 0, then equation is already fixed, that is x square is equal to minus 4by. So we have to just use b without sign, because we have already mentioned when b is less than 0, it becomes x square is equal to minus 4by. I hope all of you understand this. What is the difference between these two ways?